Hey everyone, it's Maddie from LuckyVitamin, and today I'm going to show you how to make almond butter oatmeal cookies sweetened with erythritol. I am not a baker by any stretch, but this recipe is super simple. It only requires a few ingredients, and I love making these when I'm craving something sweet, but also trying to avoid sugar. They're dairy-free as well, which is a huge plus for me. So to make these cookies, you'll need 1 cup of creamy almond butter, 1 cup of quick oats, a ½ cup of erythritol granulated sweetener, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a ½ cup of chocolate chips if you want a little extra sweetness. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We're gonna mix all of the ingredients in a bowl except for the cinnamon. We're gonna leave that off to the side because we're gonna sprinkle that on top of the cookies before popping them in the oven. Roll the dough into 2-inch balls and place them on the baking sheet. Flatten the dough balls with a fork and sprinkle with cinnamon. Bake in the oven for 10 minutes until golden brown. All right, now our almond butter oatmeal cookies are done. I'm gonna give one a try right now. Tastes amazing. All right, I'm gonna have to cut that because it is kind of hot. Just one second. That was like right on the borderline of too hot, but perfect. So that's how you make almond butter oatmeal cookies sweetened with erythritol. If you like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more content, and as always, spread the wellness.